Hi, it's Alaska Granny.
If your dog spends any time in the out of doors, pitch and sap getting stuck on their feet and in between the paws of their feet can be a real problem. When your dog comes in from outdoors, check their feet to make sure there's no dirt, sap, pitch, or even stickers. If you find pitch or sap stuck to your little dog's feet, rub it with some olive oil. Olive oil will remove the sticky pitch and sap. Pour it straight out of the bottle or even out of a dispenser. Massage it well, and then wipe it with a paper towel, or you can rinse it off with a little bit of soapy water. Check and make sure you got it all. And before you know it, your dog will be running around and jumping for joy, saying thank you for helping me feel better. Try a little olive oil to remove sticky pitch and sap from your dog's feet.
Learn more at alaskagranny.com. Please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel.